This is the Hydroshock by Ramcat Broadheads, and this is why you need this head. This broadhead is designed to fly exactly like a field point, so that means less time tuning and more time in the woods. The concave scoop allows body mass to be displaced over and around the broadhead, so you have increased entrance and exit wounds. We actually have back cut technology, so what this will allow the blades to do is pivot forward upon impact, and it'll actually cut on its way back out as the deer is moving. And you'll spend less time trying to track that animal. The Hydroshock by Ramcat Broadheads.
So you want to know what it's like to flip the same light switch for 40 years, to design, cut, build, and assemble millions of broadheads, pink ones, silver ones, ones that open with ball bearings, and others that just cut like hell. So you want to know what it's like to wear a blue collar and grow a manly beard, to work on machines that get oil on your shirt and grit in your fingernails, to work on machines that spit out product with the precision of Hemingway's words. So you want to know what it's like to be made in America? So you want to know what it's like to push old buttons, to shovel snow during your lunch break, and to sweat over a product people love and trust. So you want to know what it's like to ship the beginning of someone's story, to be the place where it all started, to be the place that they trust. So you want to know what it's like to be made in Connecticut, where it's cold, creaky and old, where the sounds would make our forefathers proud and our enemies jealous. Here, people care and have a first name. Here, it's about products that matter and machines that we know how to fix. Here, it's oil and dirt and noises that fill your soul like music from a hymn. So you want to know what it's like to be built by America? So you want to know what it's like to build with your hands, to craft with your mind, and to reminisce with your soul. So you want to know what it's like to make the old new, to teach the young how to walk in the path of the old, and show someone the heritage that we have all grown to love. And that's what it's like to be built by America.
Hey folks, Chris James here from Muzzy Broadheads to tell you about the original Muzzy 3-blade broadhead. This broadhead's been around since the early 90s with a design that's kind of timeless. It's killed tons and tons of deer over the years. It's the #1 selling fixed blade broadhead. And this design, like I said, is very unique in the fact that it actually has a solid steel column going through an aluminum ferrule, which gives it unmatched strength. It was the first broadhead to use the oversized chiseled tip, which we call the trocar tip, which is the hardened stainless steel to bust through the bone, which gives it the bad to the bone name that Muzzy's kind of known for. This broadhead is 1 inch 3/16 cut. It's got 020 blades, very strong, very durable broadhead, and it's a replaceable blade. To replace the blades, you simply, I usually take mine off the arrow so I can hold it easier. Take your tip off, then you're going to remove your blades. So you see you've got this nice little kind of a peace sign in there. It has 3 petals. The way you want to do, you want to hold your blade by the sharpened edge. I'm going to put it in, and you kind of use your finger to hold it in place about halfway up. You want to make sure that it's coming out the second slot on the back side there. Then you want to take your other blade, go in the slot that the short portion of it is coming out of, and then on the third one, you're going to put it in there just like that, where you've got all the blades touching each other. That's what's forming your solid steel column of going through the middle of that ferrule. Push it down, take your tip, thread it on, tighten it down with the wrench provided, and there you've got your assembled 100 grain 3-blade Muzzy broadhead. Now we also have this available in a 75 grain, 125 grain, and the 100 grain for a vertical bow. And then we also have it available in a crossbow model in the 100 and 125, and you'll notice the orange ferrule on the crossbow models. The blades are the same on all of them, the tips are the same on all of them, it's just a different ferrule that has a different diameter at the back so that it fits the crossbow bolt better. Check them out, I think you'll be very impressed.
The Rage Bowhunting Crossbow X is an excellent choice if you are looking for increasing your precision while making sure that you land a humane kill without unnecessary suffering for the prey. A simple look at this model will tell you quite a few important things about how it is designed and what you can achieve with its help. One thing the manufacturer employs on these broadheads is the FAT technology, which stands for ferrule alignment. What this technology does is create the necessary conditions for improved aerodynamics, something you will want your arrows to have to travel farther and be more accurate. The shock collar technology ensures blade retention. The stainless steel blades will cut through with maximum efficiency. The broadheads are sold in packs of 3, and they are available in the 100 and 125 grain versions. A free practice head is included with your purchase. These are maybe the best broadheads for a crossbow right now, along with 1 or 2 more models.